What is Zapier?
Zapier is an online tool that connects your favorite apps and automates repetitive tasks, so you don't have to do them manually. With Zapier, you can set up simple workflows called Zaps, which automatically move information between apps like Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, and more.
How do Zaps work?
A Zap is a workflow that links two or more apps together through a series of steps. Each Zap starts with a trigger, an event that begins the workflow, followed by one or more actions in other apps. For example, when you receive a new email, a Zap can save the attachment to Google Drive automatically.
Setting up your first Zap.
To create your first workflow, choose a trigger app and event, such as New Email in Gmail. Then, select an action app like Add Row in Google Sheets. Zapier will guide you through connecting your accounts and customizing the details. Just turn on your Zap, and your automation is live.
Simple, useful Zapier examples.
Popular beginner Zaps include saving new email attachments to cloud storage, sending calendar reminders to Slack, or posting tweets directly into a spreadsheet. These automations help you stay organized, save time, and reduce busy work by keeping all your tools seamlessly connected.
Tips for effective automation.
Start with basic automations for tasks you do frequently. Test each Zap with sample data to ensure it works as expected. Explore the Zapier library for inspiration. And remember, you can always edit or turn off Zaps as your needs change. With practice, you'll find countless ways to simplify your workflow.